Welcome to another Treasures for Life Ministry Herbal Focus. Today's herb that I'll be focusing on is the cayenne pepper or bird pepper. Now, the Jamaican bird pepper or cayenne pepper is so potent. It is hot, it is very good to use in many diseases. Cayenne pepper can be used as a catalyst. That means if you're taking herbal teas for a specific condition and you want the herbs to reach quickly into the body or to be carried directly where it needs to go, the cayenne pepper works as the catalyst to take it to the area. Now, the cayenne pepper is also a herb that you can use for colds and flu, respiratory condition. It can be used in reversing a heart attack or a stroke. It can be used to help to stimulate the stomach. However, you are not to continuously take the cayenne pepper because they are to be used for medicinal purposes, not just for eating with your food or cooking with. It is mostly for medicinal purposes. If you continuously use cayenne pepper, then when you are going to need it, it will not be effective. So keep the cayenne pepper on hand, mainly for medicinal purposes. Do not cook with it. You may add it if you powder the cayenne pepper. You may add a dash of the powder on your food, but do not cook it. The cayenne pepper is also a herb that you can take for blood thinning because it thins the blood. It can also be used for other respiratory conditions. It can be used to improve circulation in the body. It is a pain reliever. It is a wonderful plant to have on hand. And look at the leaves. And here you have a small cayenne pepper blossom. It has not come out as yet. And this is the green cayenne pepper. And there we have the ripe ones, or the bird pepper, if you rather call it the bird pepper. Now, let your food be your medicine, and your medicine your food. Get to know the plants that are in your surrounding and use them to assist your body in the healing process. And as I said before, you can use the cayenne pepper as a catalyst to be combined with other herbs for specific healing conditions. And the cayenne pepper can be used on its own. It can also be added to olive oil or castor oil or other essential oils where you combine them to make your own little pain rub. Just add some essential oils as well. And there you have your own little pain rub or decongestant. So there you have it, another Treasures for Life Ministry Herbal Focus. We hope you are blessed. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Please like our videos, give us a comment, and share. Maranatha, Jesus is coming soon.